A TV sting has exposed the underbelly of Indian Premier League. A day after the TV sting exposed alleged match fixing in the tournament amongst players, organisers, owners and the big guns of cricket, the BCCI said that they will not take this lying down. The cricket body expressed shock at the expose and said that they will not put up with any corruption. The expose caused massive uproar in the parliament, with the BJP demanding an immediate probe into the match-fixing charges. Meanwhile, one of the players at the centre of the controversy, Shalabh, has denied all charges, claiming that this entire expose is in fact a part of a larger conspiracy. The bowler says he is innocent and is waiting for BCCI to take a final call.
टोटली डिनाई कर रहा हूँ, इस तरह का कोई भी फोन पे बात नहीं हुई है और अगर उसका कोई प्रूफ है इनके पास तो वो दिखाएं। दूसरी चीज़ की मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ। अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ बीसीसीआई से किसी गाइडलाइंस का। जैसे ही मेरे ऊपर कुछ होगा मैं खुद कांटेक्ट करूंगा आपसे, क्योंकि मुझे इसमें क्लियरिफिकेशन देना ही देना है।
After Shalabh, it's BCCI which talks tough, says they are shocked at the TV sting operation and will not tolerate corruption in cricket.
All I can say is we have no tolerance for this. If any player has been found and if there is enough sufficient evidence, we will act very strongly. As far as the IPL is concerned, the anti-corruption unit of the ICC is in charge, and we believe the integrity of the game has been preserved. We had no inkling of anything at all, and we are very clear. We will act very swiftly and very strongly.
I'm very sure that we all know that it is not only in cricket but in other sports also, and not only in India but also elsewhere in the world also. And I'm sure and I wish that BCCI acts fast, goes into the root cause of the problem and solves the problem in the interest of millions of fans of cricket in our country.